Welcome to the second part of our basic Microsoft Word tutorial. So in this video, our focus will be at the Insert tab. We will learn how to insert blank pages, tables, pictures, shapes, as well as also inserting page numbers, footers, and headers in our document. So let's start with pages section. So in pages section, we have features like cover page, blank page, and page break. So you can decide to have a cover page of your document, but also you can decide to insert a blank page. So for us to insert a blank page, as you can see in the status bar here, we have 1 out of 1, that is 1 page out of 1, and therefore if we want to insert a new page or a blank page, we use this feature here, blank page. So if you click a blank page, you can see we have 2. Again you click, we have 3. If again you click, we have 4. That is how we insert pages. But also you can decide to have a page break. So page break is just a feature that is used to control where a page ends and where a new page begins. So for you to achieve that, we use a page break feature. But also we have this section here, tables. So if you want to insert a table, you just need to click tables, and then you have squares here in terms of rows and columns. So for you to do a table, you just need to highlight the number of rows and columns here, and then you click and you'll have your table there. But also we can decide to specify the number of rows and columns using this section here, insert tables, by typing. So if you type, we have 5 columns, we can decide to change to before, and then number of rows, we have 2, we can decide to type 7. So if we click OK, see we have our table here. So we have generated a table, we have inserted a table. But also you can insert pictures from your computers, pictures from the online sources, as well as shapes. So if you want to insert shapes, again depending with what you want to design in your document, you just need to pick one of the features here, and then once you pick one of the features there, you will have inserted, of course, that very shape. We can also use a smart art section. So smart art section is used to allow one to visually communicate his or her important ideas and information. So if you want to present your ideas visually, you can use smart art section. By that, of course, you'll have to click smart art, and then depending with the art that you prefer, you just need to click OK, and we'll have your art there. So you will just be needed to edit where you have the word text. So apart from that, we can insert a chart as well as the screenshot. So let's see how we can also insert page numbers, footers, and headers from this section here. For us to insert a page number, we just need to click page number feature command here, and then when you click that, you will have to decide if you want to have your pages appearing at the top of the page or at the bottom of the page. So if you want your pages to appear at the bottom of the page, when you point bottom of page, you will see again the preview here, depending with the one that you prefer. So when you click one, of course, you can see now I have page numbers. So page 4, page 3, page 2, and finally we have page 1. So that is how we insert page numbers. But also you can decide to have a header and a footer. So a header is just a text that is placed at the top of a page, while a footer is placed at the bottom of a page. So if you want to have a text at the top of a page, let me say a header. So again, you just need to select from the preview the design that you prefer. Then where you see type here, we can type anything that we want to type. Let's say Microsoft Word tutorial. So we have it there. So once you type that, you can decide to close header and footer section. So when you do that, of course, the word that you have typed as the header will be displayed in all the pages that we have, as you can see. We also have this section here, the text section. So with the text section, we can also decide to insert a text box. So if we decide to insert a text box, we will have to decide where to type a specific text. So we can decide to do that by using text box, then draw a text box, and where you draw that text box, you can write anything inside there. Let me say, let me type David DC Tech. So you can see we have a specific text typed from where we have drawn our text box. But also you can decide to add or to apply word art. So this is just an effect. It enables one to display text graphically by applying colors and effect to text. Let me use my text here and apply that. So assuming I highlight that text and then I use word text, then I use one of the effect there. You can see what is happening to the text that I have highlighted or selected. But also we have another feature here, very important, drop cap. So if you want to apply drop cap, so a drop cap is just a feature that makes the first letter of the paragraph larger than the rest of the text. So if you want to apply drop cap, you just need to highlight that letter and then go to drop cap section, drop cap section. So from the drop cap, you have different options there. So the ones that have been provided there, but also you can decide to customize in such a way, instead of you using the one that has been provided, you can specify the number of lines that you want that letter to be dropped. So if I type 2 and then okay, you can see letter A is being dropped in these 2 lines of my paragraph. And finally, we have the signature line. So signature line is used to indicate where a signature should be written. So if when you click signature line, you will have option to write your name, but also the position and the email address if you want to add. So if you do that, of course, you will have a signature line that will indicate where a signature should be written. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you have learned. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.